Hey loves, and welcome back. So we are kicking things off on a Friday. So I'm going to start things off by doing a little, I guess, haul with you guys. I've been looking forward to fall. Fall is like my absolute favorite season of the year. This is actually my first time decorating my home for fall. All the other times, the most I would do is just a candle, and that is it. On Fridays, what I usually do is, it's like my errands day after work. I just run errands and that is it. So today I picked up the girls' dresser from IKEA. The options were a little slim. I got was the Mal 4 drawer. It's like, I guess, the chest of drawer, not the dresser. But the idea is I bought 2 of them and they're 4 drawers. So what I'm going to do is just put them together once I assemble them side by side, and that will make a dresser even though it's 2 chests of drawer put together to make a dresser. Okay, but whatevs. Let's just jump into a little bit of fall decor. I got a few bits and bob here and there. My absolute favorite, that's what we're going to start off with. I'm hoping I have enough lighting because my window is over there. My face look a little dark, but you know what? How about we say it's an ambiance? Okay, I hope that is a little better. I got a light and I think that kind of picked up the lighting a little bit more. So where were we? Let's continue before my kids find out that I'm in the room trying to do something productive and start banging on the door. The first one is this little candle. Like, how adorable is she? So this one is in the scent apple caramel cider. I'm trying to get the browns and the neutrals in there with my fall decor and a little bit of cream, and I think that is it. This one actually smells so divine, and I love the ribbon. The ribbon is a vibe. The second candle that I bought is this like pumpkin embellish kind of candle. It's a gold. I'm trying to go for more silver, but what scent is this? This is pumpkin suede. Really love this one. I love the whole vibe of it. I guess I'm doing like a mixture of silver and gold, but not so much gold, but a little splash here and there. So this is this one. I should actually take the ribbon off so you guys could see it a little better. It's not really giving what it's supposed to give with the ribbon on it, which I kind of need to go and clean the tape off of it. And this one cost $12.99 at HomeSense, and I think this is cute. It has the pumpkin and the fall leaves on it. Very cute. So I only got 2 candles. That is it. I'm limiting myself because I tend to buy a whole bunch of candles and never really light them. My son pointed that out to me the other day. This pumpkin is just the cutest. It is actually a frame, so if you look right here, you could see a little slit. So I have a few fall pictures that I'm just going to print off my computer and just kind of stick it right in there because it's my favorite season and I just want to show it off. And I just think this is the perfect little picture frame to do such. And then you could just swap it out so easily because it's just a pop it in, pop it out type of thing. The next fall decor that I got are these beautiful flower bouquet. It was from my local store and it was for $26.99. I think it is worth every penny. It just picks up on the fall colors so nicely. Absolutely love it. And I forgot what this fabric is called. I think it's like the potato sack kind of material. Really like it. And I did pick up a vase from HomeSense, which I'm going to put it in. And I think it's just going to elevate my living space just that much. I didn't have to try to go and find different pieces here and there. It was just all put together nicely from my local grocery store. And actually with this flower, I think it's already like dried out, if you can see. I could save this for next year if I do so desire. So there's a whole bunch going on here. I did pick up some stuff from IKEA. I told you I picked up the girls' dresser. There are also some other things. I picked up some pillows as well. I picked up 3 of these. It's just like some standard pillows, one for each of my children's bed. Mind you, I still have those 2 pillows on my bed, and that is it with that one big one at the back. I still have to, I'm gonna work on my bedroom a little bit later in the game. I picked up a light bulb from IKEA. I think this one was $7.99. I'm going for a soft white as opposed to the warm color. I bought a couple the other day, like 3, and they were not the right one. So this time around, I just picked up one just to test it out. If it is the correct one, then I will go back and get it. 2 more. I think I need 2 more. And I picked up some pillowcases. 2 is in this pack, 1 is in that pack, just to create that layered effect that I want for my little one's bedroom. I picked up some twin sheets. I went with gray this time around. The last time I bought them like white sheet because I was trying to go for that like look. But white sheet with little kids is, for me, a no. For myself, sure. The washing process is a lot in itself because washing white sheets is not the same. And you guys know what it is. It's sweat, it's this, it's that, and it just shows a little bit more. So you have to make sure it's chemistry when it comes to washing whites to get them back to their pure white color. And I don't want to have to go through that anymore. So I'm going with more like cream and grays and things of that nature, and more color. I want to bring in more colors, and I want to do it with my bed sheets. I also picked up some cookies, which I will have with my Sunday tea. What else did we get? More sheets. I got 3 packs of those. So 3 packs of sheets. I'm pretty sure that is it for IKEA, along with the dresser. That was it that I picked up. Oh no, I picked this up. This was just like one of those things that you need. Ziploc bags. I just personally feel like IKEA make the best Ziploc bag, and they're so colorful, and they just passed the vibe check. Okay, so moving on to HomeSense, and what I got from there, I picked up this beautiful pie tray because fall is my absolute favorite. So rest assured, I will be baking some pies. I'm going to bake an apple pie, maybe a pumpkin pie. I don't think I'm a fan of pumpkin pies, but I will try. I will try just to get in the whole fall vibe, okay? And I am going to be doing Vlogtober soon, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully I follow through, but yeah. Don't crucify me because I'm new at this. Next item that I purchased from HomeSense, Chef's Kiss, love it. It is this, it's a watering can. It's handcrafted, love the details, just look at it. And you could use it as a watering can, but what I'm going to do is use it as a flower vase. So for this one, I am going to do fresh cut flowers, and then the other vase that I bought will be for the flowers, the flower bouquet that I showed you guys earlier on, okay? So that is it. This one was for $19.99, which is like creme de la creme good, and I'm hoping I could put water in it and it doesn't like destroy the pot. So this is it. Just love the details, and it kind of goes with the dishes that I have just a little bit. I think this is another pumpkin that I picked up. I only had 1. I'm trying to go for 2 for the price of 1. So this is a pumpkin, very cute. It's given, and it is also like you could store stuff in it. I'm thinking sugar. Yeah, it could be like a little sugar jar for the fall season. And I think they're just going to go so nicely with each other. So this is more of an off-white, and this is given teal. I don't know if the camera, it's picking up on camera, but it's given like a teal, very soft blue type of color. And I can't wait to show you guys how I decorate these. Just a few bits and bobs of fall stuff. I'm not like splashing it all in my home decor, just a little bit. You know, a little bit goes a long way. Next up, I bought this spoon rest. The other one that I have was so on trend with fall. It's this nice pumpkin leaf, but it is so damaged that I feel like it is time to just change it out. And this is a nice neutral. It is fall, it is winter, summer, and spring, all 4 seasons in one. So that's what I wanted, and it was only $6.99. And you could see it, right? You could see the look. You could see the look that I'm going for. I think this is the last The last item, this is the bigger vase that I got for the bouquet. It's just the clear one. I was thinking to get something more along like this texture. I did see something, but it was so fall that I didn't want to go so fall, if you get where I'm coming from, right? So this is very neutral, and it's I think it's like all season, and I won't like put myself in a box and just take it out once a year. I could use this all year round. And let me just kind of see, you just tuck it in there and it's a look, right? It's a look. Let me push you guys back a little bit more and see if you could see where I'm trying to go with it. But I think it's a vibe. And you know what I should have did? I should have bought like little pumpkins or some kind of something to kind of fill out this portion, because now it looks a little blank. So we're gonna have to go back to the drawing board and see what I can come up with to make it kind of fill out nicely. Or maybe I could use some of this fabric. What is it called? Burlap. Yeah, maybe I could take some of the burlap and kind of stuff the base of it. But that is it for the haul. Now I'm just going to go and try to put these IKEA dresser together. And you guys know how IKEA furniture goes. You just have to take it nice and slow, because that's just what it is. It's like you're doing a math exam or something like that when it comes to putting together or assembling an IKEA piece of product. Why it is so intricate, I have no idea. But I feel like IKEA furnitures are really good for if you want to change things out a little bit more frequent. It's not like super investment pieces, but they are still nice pieces nonetheless. Okay, so yeah. So I did purchase, just to do a little update, I did purchase the bar stools. So the bar stools are here. They're super simple. I got them from Amazon. They were $89 or $98. I'll put the price somewhere up here for 2. I really wanted 3, but I had to buy 4 because they came in a set of 2. So I kind of put all 4 out, but I think it looks better with 3. But nonetheless, I like them because it doesn't have like the back, and it's not bulky. It's none of that, because I don't really have a lot of space to work with. So I think this is nice and sleek. I just push it up right underneath the counter and it just looks seamlessly. So the next thing that I'm looking forward to get in, my carpet. I want to change out my TV stand. I want to get something a little bit more higher. I'm debating if I should go black or white, but either way, I think either color will look super nice. I think I might just go white just to kind of flow with things a little bit, but I don't want to put too much black and I don't want to do too much white. So we'll see how this goes. All right, we'll see how this goes. Follow along. I already have my bed. I think I already showed you guys my bed. Yeah, the last vlogs I showed you guys my bed. So I need to get my nightstand. I also need a dresser. I'm debating if I should get a chest of drawer or I should get like a vanity stand. I don't know, but I don't want to overcrowd my space. And yeah, that is it for the update. And till I'll tune you guys in when I have other things going on, okay?